about uh, validation over verification. What is it to send off validation to these agencies, these third-party agencies, these original creditors, whatever? What is the validation? And what you're basically doing is you're going to ask them to validate it, because a lot of times they'll say, oh, this is verified. Well, who verified them? Who verified these? Okay. I'm asking you, who verified this? Because the FCRA requires you to verify what you're claiming. So, who validated these? I damn sure didn't. So, we have a brief description, all right? So, the letter is going to look something like this. This letter is being sent to you in response to notices you sent me from your company, more importantly, to the erroneous reporting to the credit bureaus. The highly negative impact on my personal credit is hindering me from obtaining financial fitness. Please be advised that this is not a refusal to pay, but a notice pursuant to the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, 15 U.S.C. 1692G, Section 809B, that your claim is disputed and validation is requested. Okay, it's very important. The main important thing is that this is not a refusal to pay. I'm not refusing to pay. This is not a request for verification or proof of my mailing address, but a request of validation. Okay? I respectfully request that your offices provide me with competent evidence that I have legally obligated to pay you. As simple as that. And there's, of course, other parts to that letter, but you get the gist of it, you know? So you're going to ask them to validate what they're claiming. They can't just say, yeah, man, it's you. We verified it. That's it. Don't ask no more about it. It's stamped. It's good. Nah, man, you got to show me that it's validated. You have to provide me how you calculated what you said I owe you. Provide me with copies of any papers that I agreed to pay you. Provide a verification or copy of any judgment if applicable. Identify the original creditor. Show me that you have a license to collect in my state. Yeah. So hit like, hit subscribe, help me grow the channel. Write down this free game